Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix discolored plastic parts on your THERMOMIX TM7. If the plastic parts on your THERMOMIX appear to be discolored, then try cleaning them with a damp cloth. You could also try to use isopropyl alcohol to clean it further, or you could try using citric acid in order to clean it. But before you do, before you clean with isopropyl alcohol or citric acid, try cleaning a small area of the plastic part first, preferably in a place that's not visible, so that you check if it doesn't damage the plastic. If that didn't help, then probably the discoloration is deeper, and well, there's nothing you can do about it. If it's a deeper discoloration that has sunk into the plastic, then you could only possibly replace the plastic part, but it's cosmetic only, so I don't think there's need to do it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.